Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some rosettes that I made for a swap that I'm going to be doing with my friend. I just want to show you just in case it inspires you to use your own scrap stash. These are all Maggie Holmes papers and I thought these are so cute, lots and lots of layers. As you can see, this is a rosette. And then I used a circle stitched die and just used a sentiment and a heart and a flower punch. And this is the flower punch that I used all throughout. I thought this is so cute and very simple. This one is a very layered crepe paper rosette that I thought I'd like to share with my swap partner. This is from the Willow collection. This one, a lot of these elements, this is from Chasing Dreams, the paper, and a lot of these layers are from a different collection. Like this one is from Flourish, this one is from Flourish as well. So I thought this is a lot of layers right there, as you can see, very dimensional, and you can put this on top of a gift bag, and very simple, elegant way to decorate them. And this is a rosette medallion. As you can see, it has a lot of layers, and I used a lot of the barcode because I thought it was very pretty and economical to do that, and just layer the tickets that I fussy cut from the collection. I thought that was so cute and inspiring. This is a different kind of rosette because so I did the rosette, as you can see, and then I put a stitched envelope, and these ones you can remove. And then just had fun layering, and then the bunny I thought was absolutely adorable. So that's another one. Here's another super layered, super chunky rosette embellishment that I would share. This one is very simple, just multi-layers and on top of a rosette. I hope my partner likes all these embellishments. Super simple, layering the rosette with tickets and flowers and sentiments. After 20 years of scrapbooking, I finally realized what is my style. I like having a sentiment on almost every single embellishment, and I like the flowers too very, very much. This one is the same concept, pretty much layering the rosette with layers of beautiful, beautiful paper and die cuts. And the last one is this butterfly. So you can see there's a ticket underneath. There's two tickets underneath there. The butterfly is floating, very, very textured with a flower. I thought that it was so cute. Guys, I hope this inspires you to use your scrap stash today. I hope you can consider subscribing to my channel. Please like and comment down below if you have any questions for me. And as always, have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye.